I joined Active Mum when I was pregnant last year with my first bump. I had always been relatively active doing swing dancing and things, but wanted something that would target and focus and help me during childbirth and recovery, which it did. I was very fortunate and managed to get back to my pre-birth weight and more fit than I had ever been before I fell pregnant with my second bump. So now I'm halfway through my second pregnancy with Active Mum and it's all going very smoothly, and I absolutely credit that towards the trainers here and the work that they do with us and helping us along through our journey. And I really love coming back here as often as I can to really embrace the community feel. I think it's a wonderful group of people, and the chance to bond and to meet other mums in very similar situations to me. It's been wonderful to be part of Active Mum, and looking forward to keeping going as my bump gets bigger and bigger.